Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is very much interesting. All the coffee lovers, this is for you guys. So I've received this beautiful packaging from Rage Coffee, and frankly I'm not a coffee person. On opening, it is more beautiful. So inside is this thing. The whole description comes in this, that it is made using 100% Arabica beans, which is the purest form of coffee beans. It's vegan, it's gluten free. If you don't add milk, no preservatives, no additives, no sugar, no colorants, so the color and everything is natural. Now 90 to 120 mg caffeine per serving, so that is the best point. It is below 5 calories per serving, smooth, sweet and no bitterness. Let's get started. And then when you open this up, you get these beautiful, these are like 4 jars of coffee and 1 bullet of coffee. So the bullet looks like this. These are 5 different flavors. This bullet one is with natural plant vitamins. So this bullet is the natural Arabica one. The second one is creme caramel, and then one is Irish hazelnut. Next is dark chocolate, the butterscotch delight. I love butterscotch, so I may try this one. So this two I'm going to try, and I'm going to let you know how it is and how it tastes. The smoothness that they claim is there or it's not there. So I think let's get started. So this is how the bullet looks like. Now they also have a variant in which you can only order such bullets. I'll add everything here to show you from where to buy and everything, so that is all in the description box and on the screen. So right now this bullet looks like this, and when you open it up, this is a single original Arabic beans. Okay, now this needs to be added with 225 ml of water or milk, as you like. Turbocharge your day. They say that this has minimum amount of caffeine which will keep you on for your gym, your workout, you go out, your work like office work. So they tell you that this will make you keep going. It is the granules. You can see this is in the form of granules. You can use this I'm not going to add full, I'm adding only half. So I'm adding half, and I'm going to take around, okay, I'm adding full because this is around 225 ml itself, this glass. So I've added whole. Now this is a very good and sturdy bottle. Okay, so travel friendly hai ye. Can be added with cold or hot milk. This milk is cold, and the granules, they dissolve very quickly, so it does. So if you can see this, ये बहुत जल्दी से मिक्स हो रहा है. ओके, कलर बहुत अच्छी से आया है, and it is really looking very nice. Arabica taste wala simple. So this is without sugar right now because we want to know the right raw taste. So Amar is going to do, but he's not coming on camera. He'll be behind. Come, Amar. Yes, thank you. How is it?
Good, too good. Tastes like.
No. So they claim few things. You have to say yes or no, and I will post it right here, so you will know what he's saying. Okay? So he loves coffee and he can say more about it better. So now we'll ask these things from him. Before, let me also taste. Wait. Actually, मुझे लगा कट दूध पाया मैंने.
नहीं बराबर है.
Okay, so they claim that it is smooth, sweet and no bitterness. Right or wrong?
It's not sweet for sure.
Yeah, I have not.
Yeah, it's not bitter. It's smooth.
It is smooth. Okay,
yes.
So smoothness के लिए yes. Okay, then they say, but in cold water, how is it tasting?
Good.
Good.
Very good.
Okay, so यही है. बाकी तो is extra information. Now we are trying. Do you want to try creme caramel or you want to try Irish hazelnut?
Irish hazelnut.
Okay. So the coffee lover says Irish hazelnut. This I'm going to make hot and sweet. So I'll take you to my kitchen now and let's see what the review is. So milk on gas. Okay. Okay, so now these beans are, we have this spoon. I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna add that. Okay, we're gonna make a hot milk. Okay, this is enough. So as I said, the granules, they dissolve very quickly, and which is the best thing. This coffee, when I opened it up, it was like I'm sitting in CCD. So I'm going to try this first. This is beautiful, guys.
Very good.
Yeah, it's very good, guys. It is like what they say, that ditch that all expensive coffees what we have, not me, what people have, and go for this, because घर बैठे आपको वो कैफेज का टेस्ट आने वाला है. So guys, a very big yay for this Irish hazelnut from my side, because this is beautiful. This is so tasty that literally you will forget the cafe wale coffees. And yeah, this on this cover they have their small story. Thank you so much for sharing our passion for great coffee. This is what I was saying. Frankly guys, I am a person, I will never spend like more than 200 on a coffee. So you know what I mean, which cafes I don't. Yeah, so they say we spent over 6 months and developed 85 prototypes to hit the perfect formulation. We combine potent natural vitamins with the highest quality coffee beans grown in Harar, Ethiopia, to create the most advanced instant coffee available in the market. The coffee also has ingredient tested to increase your focus levels, enhance your athletic performance, all the sports people, hello, and keep you energized throughout the day. I am not a sports person. I need coffee when I feel sluggish to get up and to make video, to run after Sahib. So for that, if this will keep me going with less caffeine, because I'm very acidic, with the healthy version of coffee, with the more of what they have said, with their combined potent natural vitamins, so yeah, so I think I will definitely, I'm gonna stick to these ones. So I let me string. The packaging and everything is beautiful. So I also wanted to just quickly show you this creme caramel, how this is going to be. Oh god, this is beautiful. Yeah, this I think मुझे इसको बनाना चाहिए वो cream में डाल के, fat के and everything. Butterscotch, I like butterscotch. Very nice. And dark chocolate, though I will not open because we all know how dark chocolate is. These are different flavors which you can get yourself indulged in, but they claim such beautiful things which I'm going to talk about. It is made using 100% Arabica beans infused with natural flavoring, which is beautiful because all of these flavors are natural and smooth and robust without any bitter. It has subtle aroma and it's gluten-free, vegan-friendly, which is amazing. So it is world's finest plant-based vitamins coffee. It is beautifully, naturally, strongly flavored. So I think these are the best things that you should know about this whole this whole Rage coffee, and definitely try your hands on one of them at least to just taste and let your taste buds know that something new is in the market. Small shots are thoughtfully designed so that you can carry it anywhere. In these shots, just put it in your jar with water, with milk, and you can have it anywhere. So it is very travel friendly. Plus this brand is also FSSAI approved, which is very important and which is very good as well. Here the range is doing this job, which is very good. It is comparative to other brands available in the stores. This is made in small batches to give you the best they can. Thank you for watching. Do like this and subscribe and also share my video. Let's reach to 5k very quickly. Yeah, I'm stuck in between this 2 point something, so I really want to reach 5k. Help me reach that goal. And yes, thank you so much for watching. You be happy and you be stylish. Bye.